All right, I bought another MCo Beauty thing. It's this concealer. It's the Instant Concealer. Now, I know that this is like a huge dupe brand. So I believe it is supposed to be their version of Tarte's Shape Tape. I don't know which one. And I'm almost embarrassed to say this, but I've never tried Shape Tape before. Never. It's on the list to try. I just never tried it. And from my understanding, that concealer is extremely full coverage, but it could be a little bit drying. And I know there's like a hydrating version. I almost feel like this one is duping that. I could be wrong. If you know the answer, comment down below. So I got this on Amazon. I just buy it on Amazon because it ships faster to me. But it's a big concealer. I feel like it's big. This is what it looks like. This is the wand. It's a little bit like dark. Well, shoot, I covered it with blush. But it's a little bit dark. I feel like this would be better for me in the summer. So I wish I had gotten a lighter color. I don't know, I might get a different one. But because it's a little bit darker, it actually did a really good job of concealing my under eyes. It's not the first time I use it, by the way. I've used it a couple times. I've been trying it out. I've come to realize that first impressions really are not the best. So lately I've been trying to use the product a couple of times just so I can give you insight. What I will say about this product is it does last all day. It doesn't crease. It is a thick formula. It is a thick formula and it's got really good coverage. So with that being said, do not apply this directly under your eyes from the wand. You are gonna put way too much on. I've said this before and I will say it again. I will say it in every single video that I talk about concealer and stuff like that under the eyes. If you are over 30, if you are over your mid-30s, as I am, don't do that. Do not do that, because I'm telling you right now, you are going to feel bad for yourself and you're gonna be like, what happened? Where are all these lines coming from? Just don't do that. If the product is too thick to just directly put under the eyes. So you're gonna put it on the back of your hand, you're gonna warm it up, apply with your finger, a brush. If you wanna do it with a sponge, you can. I'm not putting this under my eyes and then blending it out with the sponge. I'm just not gonna do it because I'm lazy. I'm not gonna wash the sponge. I'm just not gonna do it. So I'm gonna show you how I put it on. I'm gonna cut into that. I just take a little bit. I always warm it up. It's just a habit of mine. I always do this. Even when I'm putting makeup on people, it's always on the back of my hand. I warm it up and then I just go directly under my eyes. I do a nice kind of like even application so that it covers and corrects any discoloration, and then I'll go over with a little bit more. That's how I do it. That's how I was kind of like taught to do. You don't pack on concealer like crazy. That's just madness. Yeah, you do that and you kind of just blend it out, and I find that this concealer, like once it like sets, it stays put all day. It's nice and like bright under my eyes. I didn't find that it like creased a ton either. It just stays like that. If you put too much, it's gonna crease. If you prep your eye area with too much moisturizer, it's gonna crease. So just be light-handed with it. Like I said, we're women, or we are over a certain age, we gotta do like less is more, and you layer it on. That's how you get your makeup to like lock in and stay in place basically. So I like it. I think it's a good concealer. I love that it has a very high coverage and you only need a little bit. So that's like a huge bonus for me. It's a good one. Definitely try it out. I don't know what the price of like the shape, what is it called? Tarte Shape Tape is. I know these are supposed to be like better priced or whatever, but aside from that, because again, I never tried it, I think it's a good concealer. Definitely worth looking into. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if you ever have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I will catch you in my next one.